Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to engage four-wheel drive on your Toyota 4Runner. We'll cover the different modes, like two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive high, and four-wheel drive low, and when to use each. Then, I'll walk you through the simple, step-by-step process for safely engaging both four-wheel drive high and four-wheel drive low, ensuring you're ready for any terrain. Your 4Runner offers different drive modes for various conditions. Two-wheel drive is ideal for daily driving on paved roads, providing optimal fuel efficiency. Four-wheel drive high is perfect for light off-roading, snow, or wet roads, offering increased traction. For challenging terrain like deep mud or steep inclines, four-wheel drive low provides maximum torque and control. To engage four-wheel drive high, first ensure your vehicle is either in neutral or park. Then, locate the transfer case lever, typically next to your gear shifter, and firmly move it into the 4H position. You can engage four-wheel drive high while moving at speeds under 50 miles per hour, but it's often smoother to do so at a stop or very low speed. Engaging four-wheel drive low requires a specific sequence for safety and proper function. Bring your 4Runner to a complete stop and shift the transmission into neutral. With your foot firmly on the brake pedal, move the transfer case lever from 4H through neutral and then into the 4L position. You should hear a click as it engages, indicating you're ready for serious off-road challenges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.